Is your child ever really angry or anxious or avoidant? Did you know that this might be because they have some retained primitive reflexes, fear reflexes specifically? My name is Shelley and I'm a neurodevelopment practitioner, and I want to be able to let you understand what these are and also possibly find ways that we can support your child with these. Fear reflexes emerge in utero, and they are with the baby through birth and the first couple of months of life, but they should develop, they should integrate into the central nervous system, which means that those particular movement patterns are no longer seen. You'll know the startle reflex. If you have a tiny baby and there's a loud noise or somebody appears out of nowhere, they kind of push their arms back and then they collapse like this, and this is where they want us to hold them and rock them and soothe them. That movement pattern is part of the Moro reflex, and we don't want that movement pattern to continue into childhood or adulthood. But if those movement patterns are never fully integrated and your child retains that startle reflex, they are never going to feel completely safe in the world. There will always be an underlying feeling of fear, and that is going to hamper higher learning. That is going to interrupt other patterns and other developmental milestones that they should be meeting. What we want to do is we want to be able to identify that primitive reflex is still present, and we want to be able to integrate it, give you movements that will integrate it. As a neurodevelopment practitioner, I can assess for which primitive reflexes are still retained, and I can give you simple rhythmic movements that you can do at home with your child in order to support them and help those movements to integrate. If you'd like to find out more about retained primitive reflexes and the impact that this can have if they are not integrated, join me for a webinar. We commencing the 14th of January. You can join me in the Zoom room or you can catch the recording. It'll be linked in the group after that.